Are you tired of carrying around your coats and bags all night? Then this is for you. Introducing our new lockers in Vertu Place on level 0. Simply download CoLive app, click your event, enter your email and pay. It really is that easy. Press your locker, store your coats, merch and A4 size bags, drop it, lock it and enjoy the show.
Building a successful GainShare partnership takes more than installing lockers at your venue. Here are 4 secrets to unlocking its full potential. Secret number 1. Make locker booking part of the fan journey. When storage is offered only as a walk-up service, revenue becomes unpredictable and awareness stays low. The strongest results come when fans can add a locker right alongside their ticket purchase, choosing their size and receiving clear instructions before they even arrive. Secret number 2. Understand that internal lockers follow the seasons. Storage inside the venue is fantastic for coats, merchandise, and personal belongings, but demand naturally rises in colder months and dips in summer. A strong forecast accounts for this seasonal shift, rather than applying one assumption year-round. Secret number 3. External lockers do more than store bags, they speed up your entrance. Positioned before security, they let fans drop off bags, backpacks, and prohibited items before they reach the queue. Fewer bags at the checkpoint means faster processing, shorter lines, and a smoother path into the venue. Secret number 4. Don't overlook merchandise click and collect. Fans can pre-order online and pick up their items from a locker before or after the event, skipping the retail queue entirely. This convenience doesn't just save staff time, it increases the average order value and keeps fans coming back. When you combine advanced booking, smart internal and external placement, seasonal planning, and merchandise collection, GainShare becomes more than a locker installation. It becomes a complete fan service platform. Ready to see what GainShare can do for your venue? Get in touch with Vpod today.